Adaptive moving average and night trader were a couple of the top strategies. Interesting day. The Georgia runoffs were completed, so the market seemed to rally based on the fact that the election was over. Something they had waited for was over, and then there was some turmoil on Capitol Hill related to the electoral college, counting of the electoral college, and some protests. And so interesting day. Could be some more turmoil in the markets until we have complete resolution. Along with the pandemic, not much news about the pandemic this afternoon, or coronavirus, but what is going on Capitol Hill. So very interesting. See how it's resolved. Let's go over the trades overall. Up mostly today. Adaptive moving average plus 2287.50. So it's been struggling in this market environment, and coming out of this drawdown a little bit yesterday, and then in a more strong way today. Got the long trade and the short trade. I always like it when a strategy captures the long side and then captures the short side. Would have been nice to reverse up here at the top, but no strategy is perfect picking tops and bottoms. Cobra 3 ES had the long trade, then the reversal in the afternoon based on the turmoil in Capitol Hill, minus 625. 60-minute breakout short. Did not manage to make any profits on this one today, minus 1875. We're not trading this one right now. Night trader had a winner last night. Hadn't traded in a while. Had a winner yesterday. Had a winner last night, plus 675 on the day, hitting its profit target. And after hours, minus 725. Got in a little early. Market rallied initially, sold off, and then just a huge rally. You see, there's such a strong straight up trend to take out. It took out the highs here, so the market took out those highs. This is Monday. The market went up overnight, first trading day of the year, January the 4th. 350 European markets are open. Made this high. Market sold off precipitously. Just technical selling, more or less. It looked like not a lot of news. Just coming into the new year, some selling, and then it spent the last 2 days. They propped it up at around noon. They propped it up, and they spent the last 2 days pushing it up here to take out those highs. So it went back all the way back up here to take out these highs. So it made for some nice trends to trade overall. These wide-ranging trends turned out to be pretty nice, and so let's continue to take a look at those. So after hours, minus 725, and then minus 50 on 60-minute breakout. One winner, one loser. So those are the trades for the day on the ES-based strategies. The NQ, take count trend 2020 plus 575. We had Cobra 3 NQ, no non-profit target version, minus 625. Only two in the base strategies. Beta B, VSD, long, minus 1300. It's still in an open position right here. And we have EVP1 in a short position, plus 2100. This strategy is absolutely killing it since last Friday. EVP1 is just has gone on a streak. Let's take a look at the performance. So since November the 16th, this strategy has really been catching these wide-ranging moves really well. So far this month, it's up $10,000 per contract. First 3 days of January, so huge. I did not anticipate any given strategy being up that much this soon, but EVP1 has done really well. Viper, we're not trading this one, minus 600. Beta, that's Beta B. Let's look at Beta C. Gap continuation reverse sometimes gets in the trend really late. There was not much of a pullback until here, so we had the gap, continuation, and then reverse. Typically we get in on this sooner, but there was no pullback. It was such a straight line. Market determined to take out the highs from Monday. It's interesting how it quickly took out those highs from Monday, completely reversed Monday's losses, complete technical desire to continue to push these markets higher. And so got in, good entry, and then this rollover on news of turmoil at the Capitol. VSDES plus 587.50, still profitable on that. And those are the trades in Beta C. Gold had a challenging day, down on SR counter trend 2 V2M 1M, 5M, and 15M, all down 825. SR counter trend 2 gold minus 825. SR counter trend 4 gold minus 825. Gold Flash minus 150, one winner, one loser, and SR Counter Trend 3 Gold minus 825 and plus 475 on SR Counter Trend 3B Gold, plus 975 on Asia Gold, plus 575 on Asia Gold Long, and then plus 575 on Asia Gold Long. Cobra Gold plus 575. And so we had a mix of strategies with winners and losers. A lot of these SR counter trends we don't have as many in our portfolios. We're less redundant. They're fairly redundant, so we don't have as many in our portfolios. So good set of strategies good set of trades in the portfolios, really, because portfolios are really utilizing Asia Gold 4, Cobra Gold, SR counter trend 2 and 3, A and B, Asia Gold 4 short, and then some of these, SR counter trend 2, VTM 1M, and SR counter trend 2. So I didn't trade all 4 of these, all variations of SR counter trends. So overall, ended up being okay in gold because of these winners. On the other strategies down here on the right side of the screen, on the left, mostly losers. On the right, mostly winners in gold. And then silver traded today plus 475, plus 475 on SR counter trend 2 and SR counter trend 4. And then crude oil, winners across the board in the SR counter trends in crude oil. Again, we don't have all these SR counter trends in the portfolios, but SR counter trend 2 crude oil plus 475, SR counter trend, that's actually SR counter trend 2 VTM 5M plus 475, and then SR counter trend 2 plus 475, SR counter trend 3 A and B plus 475, and then Cobra Crude Aggressive was down on the day minus 165. Natural gas, no trades on the day. RBOB, no trades on the day. Euro plus 356.25. A good set of trades right here in the euro. Short, long, short. The euro continues to move higher. US dollar is weak. Soybeans looks a lot like yesterday. Just this constant buying frenzy to hold it up. Hard to short it. Grains Day Trader 3 tried. Minus 375 on the day. Exhaust in reverse. Had a loser. Came back with a winner. Was up on the day. And then got this losing trade at the end. So minus $200 a day on exhaust in reverse. No silver trades on exhaust in reverse. And then let's see here the old strategies in the portfolio that you can also trade with the all strategy access, or the optional. Let's look at the optional. So SR counter trend or Cobra 3 NQ with the profit targets down also minus 625, and then Cobra 3 $600 profit target plus 575. So the non-profit target version of this on the ES lost, while the profit target version of Cobra 3 was profitable. And on NQ, both were down on the day. Profit target 27.34.25, or in at 27.34.25. Could have needed about a 500 or needed about a $1,000 to $1,100 stop loss. Did not quite. Came close to a $1,400 profit target though. So might have to rein that in a little bit. We'll see. NQ can be all over the map. So those are the trades on the day. Let's look at the 25K, 50K portfolio as well. It's a more active day in the 25K, 50K portfolio. You see here SR counter trend 3. We've already gone over these strategies, but let's show you how they look in the portfolio. Plus 475 on SR counter trend 3 crude oil A, minus 825 on SR counter trend 3 gold A. Night Trader plus 675, Cobra 3 NQ minus 625, and then the bonus strategies minus 375 on Grains Day Trader 3, while the SR counter trend 3, B gold and B crude oil were profitable about plus 475, so up a little bit in this portfolio when you're trading the bonus strategy. So more active than normal day in the 25K, 50K portfolio. Those are the trades on the day for January the 6th, 2021, and looking for, we're just still watching how things work out on Capitol Hill and how it affects the markets. Always trying to get past election uncertainty. Thought we would today, but we shall see based on the Electoral College counting and everything that's going on. It's a lot to follow.